Wallpapers. Um, Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. This was a requested video on how to make mobile wallpaper design. So what I'm going to do is it's pretty simple. I just went over to templates here in Canva on your home screen, and then you're going to go ahead and type in mobile wallpaper, mobile phone wallpaper, and they're going to give you the correct sizing. And as you can see here, they already have so many templates. That's what I love so much about Canva. And so you can kind of start with these templates. You can search specific design ideas that you're looking for. They have a lot of different ones here. We have cats, flower. If you're looking for something like this, a lot of people like a simple image with like an affirmation with like a plain background, something like this, where you can add affirmations or motivational quotes to these with these like simple backgrounds or something like this. You can go ahead and edit these to your liking. But there's already a ton of different templates in here that you can go ahead and click on. Let's see, let's click on this one right here. You're just going to go ahead and hit select customize this template. And so, of course, if you're going to be selling these wallpapers, you want to go ahead and edit and add on to whatever template that you select. But it's very simple. Like as we can see here, we have a background, we have you got this. All you have to do is go over here to add text, add a heading. Let's say if you're doing a motivational and you want to just do a plain background, you can go ahead and add your text over here. Select which font that you want. Go ahead and get your motivational quotes from ChatGPT or Google. The best time to start is today. I'm just think of something right here. Excuse me. The best time to start is today. And then you can kind of tailor it, make it bigger, something like this. If you want to change the font color, all you have to do is go up here. You can make it white. It doesn't really stand out as much, but you can do a different color. You can keep this here, or you can take that away. If you want to delete it, you can just delete it right here. If you want to add an element here, maybe some hearts or some type of element to the background, you can just search that there. You can do something like this. Of course, you'll have to reduce the transparency, or you'll have to change the color. So reduce the transparency so this has like a little heart background like that. You can make this bigger. If you want to change the spacing, you go up here and reduce the spacing, the letter spacing. And then you can center if you want it smaller. And then all you have to do is hit right here, add page, and you can create as many wallpapers as you would like. So you select here, you can change the background color to something like this. If you want to just do different colors as like a bundle with like a similar type of font, similar background, you could do it like that. If you want to duplicate this, you just hit this plus button, and then you could just change the saying, and you can have a few that have the same background but with different sayings. Yeah, so you can do it different couple ways. You can, like I said, you can add a page, just have like plain backgrounds with different colors, and just change the text. And you can also paste, make this white. If you want to have it in the middle, and and you want to have something up here or something up here, you can add a page. You can go back over here to design and you can look through the templates and you can edit it like this as well. You can have something like this where you maybe you have this little design here, and then you can just say over here, because it kind of has like a winter look, you can type winter and kind of get some elements that you can add to this. Obviously it's not winter time, but you can do something like this, like a cute picture on top, and then maybe like a cute saying or just a quick saying right here. And then you can edit templates like that, and you can do it something like that. Add extra elements to it so that you're adding to it. And so you can do edit wallpapers like that. You can go back over to the designs over here. You can have the cheetah print here, and you can go over to elements. And if you're going for a specific target audience, you can just say cheetah mom, see what they come up with. Different star. Or we could just type in, excuse me, mom life. Something like that wouldn't work. We need something more bold. Something like this maybe. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go through, find backgrounds that you like. You can add different elements, search the elements over here, depending on your target audience or what you're going for. You can either just add pictures or you can just add text. And so this has been a video. Please like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss a video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.